going to Iceland.
We're so excited and we're so ready. Finally, it's here.
Even though we only booked it 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
But we're in the airport now, and we board in like an hour.
Yeah, about an hour. So
we will see you there.
we'll keep you updated. All right. We think we're about to have an empty seat beside us. They're closing the door. And we got the seat all to ourselves.
And there's like not any empty rows, but there is like a couple empty seats.
Yeah.
And we happen to have one of them.
All right, we just landed.
It is currently like 5:30 in the morning here.
Yeah.
But it is also 12:30 a.m. our time, so we're not quite feeling the change yet, but I'm sure we will.
Well, we're gonna be up for the next 24 hours, so let's see how this goes. All right, here we are.
You know, it looks like midnight, but it's like 8:30.
We are literally walking uphill to our hostel. I'm out of breath. Completely away. Wowza.
We're freezing.
It's so cold. It's about 32 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, we just got to our hostel. We're getting food. I have a croissant with cream cheese and jelly. Babe is making herself some toast. All right, here we are, walking to our bus destination.
Currently it's like 6 a.m. our time. We still haven't slept, so we
Yeah.
won't be sleeping until later tonight. It's gonna be a long day.
Yeah, we're gonna be up for like a full 24 hours,
I think
maybe longer.
Yeah. But it'll be really nice. We're actually going to tour the Golden Circle, and we're super excited. So yeah.
Alrighty.
That's the plan. How do we look covered in snow?
Amazing. This is crazy. And we keep like slipping and we're almost falling. It's frozen. But it's only like 32 degrees.
Freezing. Our hair's gonna be like numb.
Oh my god. It's frozen. I can't move it. Wow. Alright, here we are, day 2.
Day 2, we are touring the south coast of Iceland, and we are currently at our first stop of, don't know how to say it, like Slafafossa. It's a waterfall.
It's a waterfall.
But you're not even ready for it. It is gorgeous.
We finally got some sleep, about 10 hours, so...
Yeah, we slept a lot. We were ready for it.
Yeah, we were.
I knocked out so fast last night.
Oh yeah.
They say that Iceland has some of the freshest water in the world, so apparently you can drink out of it, like any of the creeks or rivers. So we're gonna give it a shot. And apparently, I guess I'm gonna drink from it.
Yeah, I told her, yeah, I'll do it as long as she goes first. What?
That was actually really good.
So we are at our second waterfall, and there's apparently a rainbow.
They knew we were coming.
Oh my god.
See the size of them. See how big that wave is? Do you see that wave? Look at it. Huge.
Yeah, it's like worse than Florida. Oh my god, it's so weird. Everybody's walking into the room. Yes.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Oh my god. Alright, she's pretty cozy.
Yeah. Hello, hello. Hi. We're currently in a
Super Jeep.
yeah, it's like a million feet off the ground.
Yeah.
The tires are like the size of me.
Huge, like a monster truck.
We're about to go hiking through the glaciers into an ice cave, a completely natural ice cave.
We got our helmets.
We're
Yep.
ready to go. We're super excited, and let's hope we stay alive.
We'll see you. Alright. Babe's got her crampons.
Got my crampons. Ready to go hike this beautiful thing. We're going straight right up that side of that hill right there.
Yep, that's where we're going. No.
Just kidding. This is crazy.
Alright, we're about 30 minutes into our hike. We're almost to the ice cave. It's like not even cold anymore. Oh, she's so stunned.
Hey guys,
Hey.
we just got finished with our ice cave tour, and it was absolutely incredible.
Very amazing, stunning views. It was like kind of ridiculous. Like I couldn't believe it. So
Yeah, no, it was really nice. Yeah, we were at one of the biggest mountains. Actually, no, we were at the biggest mountain in Iceland, and it was hard to even take our eyes off of it. The ice caves were so pretty. It was literally frozen ice. It just naturally freezes in the most beautiful way. I don't really know how else to explain it.
but now we are at
We're at the Glacier Lagoon,
Glacier Lagoon.
and currently looking at these gorgeous icebergs in the water.
Wow,
Crazy.
crazy.
Wow. Now this is black sand. This is what we need. Look at this.
Wow, it's like, oh my god, why is it? Wow, it's like little rock. Oh.
Hey guys. Hey. So we are currently watching sunset from the lava fields in Iceland. It is honestly so pretty.
So pretty. It's gorgeous.
Absolutely beautiful.
We're
We
in love.
are really taking it all in. Our time is going by so fast. We only have a couple more days left. Isn't that sad?
It's so sad.
It's absolutely a trip of a lifetime. If you've never
Yeah.
been to Iceland, definitely add it to your bucket list.
For
because
sure.
It's full of just breathtaking
and
scenery. It's absolutely insane.
And we were just thinking earlier, we were just saying like a little over a year ago, we never would have thought we were gonna be here together. You know, it's just crazy.
Yeah, so we're really enjoying ourselves and just trying to take it all in.
Yep.
This one right here is the silica mud mask, which is the signature mask, really good for deep cleansing and also strengthens the barrier of the skin. Just avoid the eye area and then leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it off in the water.
Okay.
If you have sensitive skin, I would recommend just 5 minutes.
Okay. We officially have our masks on, ready to rejuvenate our skin.
Yeah, it's really cold, so
Yeah.
where do we leave it on for like 5-10 minutes?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. And then we can just wash it all off and have a warm face again.
Yeah, I'm excited. So we had a long journey home from Iceland. We actually got really lucky. We had the seat next to us open on our flight back too.
Yeah.
After our trip to the Blue Lagoon, we literally went back to the hotel, packed up, and our flight was the next morning. So nothing too exciting. And we're home now, and we're kind of just gonna be trying to get back into the groove. But we really had tons of fun, and we're just so thankful to be able to go on trips like that. And I'm so happy that I had you next to me to do it.
I know. I wouldn't have done it without you.
Nope. To many more trips.
Yes.
And anyways, thank you guys for being so patient on videos. We've been doing some traveling, so it's kind of put a little speed bump in our vlogging, and so we'll try and make sure we get better at it. But thank you so much for watching,
And make sure to like and subscribe, and
we'll see you soon.
yep.
Bye.
Bye.